Most people think making a polished product ad takes too many separate steps. Filming, editing, VFX, exporting, redoing everything again. First you need product visuals, then moving shots, then different versions, and by the time everything's done, a simple ad turns into hours of manual work. That's exactly why I wanted to test this workflow inside CapCut PC. It now combines AI video powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and full multi-track editing all in one place. So instead of building assets across different tools, let's see if one simple product idea, a sports shoe campaign, can turn into a complete premium ad package right here inside CapCut. I start directly in AI video, and this is where Dreamina Seedance 2.0 does the heavy lifting. I open image to video, import my product visual, and choose Seedance 2.0. I write a simple prompt: slow rotation, dramatic light sweep, floating particles, camera push-in. After generating, look at the difference. The static visual now has smooth motion, stronger depth, and premium ad energy. It doesn't feel like a flat poster anymore, it feels like a moving campaign opener. Then I do the same for the close-up version with a tighter orbit and sharper highlights. And for the action shot, I ask for faster camera movement and speed atmosphere. Very quickly, one product idea turns into 3 different moving ad clips, all with the same campaign identity. This is a huge practical advantage. The subject, style, and campaign identity stay consistent while the motion changes across each version. So instead of one ad, I'm building multiple usable ad creatives in a fraction of the time. But I can push it even further with Omni reference. I import a fast-paced sports ad reference with aggressive zooms, quick transitions, and energetic product sweeps. Then I attach my shoe visuals as the new subject. This tells CapCut to keep my product, but replicate the movement, rhythm, and style of the reference clip. The result is faster pacing, stronger energy, and another style of ad variation instantly. Once all the AI clips are ready, everything moves into the multi-track timeline. I drag in the slow opener, the dramatic close-up, and the action clip. Then I trim the pacing, tighten the frames, and add smooth transitions between each segment. The quality here is impressive. High consistency helps keep characters, objects, and visual style stable across scenes, while the ultra-realistic mode delivers natural lighting, realistic materials, and a much more cinematic final result. Then I add background music and overlay short campaign text like "move faster," "stay lighter," and "built for motion." Because AI generation and editing are connected inside the same workflow, I don't need to export assets to another app. I can generate, refine, combine, and polish everything right here. And here's the final result. One product concept, 4 different ad styles, all polished and ready for social posting. So here's the recap. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 turns static product shots into smooth, high consistency moving ad clips. Omni reference gives you trending ad pacing in one click. And CapCut PC's multi-track editing lets you combine everything into one polished sequence. No more hours of manual work across separate tools. And before we wrap up, I have some good news to share. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini is launching soon with platform-wide record-low credit discounts. It delivers 2 times faster T2V and 2 to 4 times quicker R2V generation compared to Seedance 2.0 Fast, alongside enhanced performance and reference matching, style fusion, and abstract creative rewriting. The upcoming Dreamina Seedance 2.0 4K unlocks Ultra HD quality, precise professional controls, and premium cinematic output, tailored for high-end video projects. So if you want to try CapCut PC and explore a faster AI video workflow, for marketing and creative content, click my link below and test AI video with Dreamina Seedance 2.0.